Welcome to San Joaquin College of Law Today, a show dedicated to issues and events within the law school which are of general interest as well. SJCL Today is produced by San Joaquin College of Law, a nonprofit law school in Clovis, founded in 1969 to provide quality legal education. Over 88% of its graduates have passed the California bar examination. More than a quarter of the practicing lawyers in the Fresno area are San Joaquin College of Law graduates. Today's program is this year's commencement ceremonies for the class of 2015 at the Soroyan Theater, the 42nd graduating class, including 35 candidates for the degree of Juris Doctor. While we normally focus on the speeches and encouragement offered by our keynote speaker, faculty, and valedictorian, this time we shift our focus to the individual graduates, giving each a chance to offer his or her thanks and story in their own words. Janice Pearson, the Dean of San Joaquin College of Law, begins by announcing a surprise degree.
There will be a slight deviation from the program. That is my job. Professor Richard Artin, excuse me, I'm mixing your two names up already. Where's Larry? Professor Richard Cartier has taught at the law school for 23 years. He is retiring. I was trying to count in my head how many different classes he has taught, and when I got close to 100, I thought I should probably quit. He has also always wanted to help every student in every way that he could. I can't express how helpful he has been to the school and to me because of his background in education, his wisdom, his thoughtfulness, his calmness. I can only say that the school will miss him, and I will miss him tremendously. So we are presenting him today an honorary degree. He is now an honorary graduate of San Joaquin College of Law.
Before I introduce the graduates, I want to just say a couple of words. I'm Professor Larry Artinian. I'm a former full-time faculty member and foolishly returned to the private practice of law a few years back. I want to say a couple of words about Richard Cartier, who's retiring. Richard and I officially became members of the full-time faculty at the same time. The law school newsletter ran our photos side by side and made the announcement. And throughout the years, in fun, we developed a public rivalry. From time to time, each of us would make highly critical remarks about the other in class. That's the most polite way I can put it. First-year students especially never seemed to be quite sure at first if we were serious. And many times I've had a student pull me aside and say, "You know, I think secretly you actually like him." Today I posted on Facebook that with Rich's retirement, I now would have nothing to complain about in class except contract law. And I have had responses from many, many of Rich's former students on that post expressing the same sentiment I did, that the law school will not be the same without him. Of course, everyone at the law school will greatly miss Professor Cartier. In countless faculty and committee meetings, we have come to know him as a practical voice of reason. In the classroom, he's one of the finest and most thoughtful teachers I have ever had the honor to know. Professor Cartier, it has been a privilege to work alongside you over the years. all of us at San Joaquin College of Law wish you the very best as the future unfolds. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present the San Joaquin College of Law Class of 2015. David Christopher Austin. Before law school, David received his Associate of Applied Science degree from Portland Community College. He was a finalist in the George Hopper Moot Court competition. He enjoyed being a panelist in the SJCL Law 101 public forums. He completed a long internship at the Madera County District Attorney's Office and clerked for the Honorable Ernest Licalsi in the Madera Superior Court. While in school, David also stayed busy in the public Christian ministry, giving Bible-based public lectures to audiences ranging in size from 100 to 6,000, from Santa Clara to Bakersfield. David plans to be a prosecutor. He would like to use his training to help make possible Christian meetings in countries where such meetings are currently illegal. David adds, "My legal education has been possible only because of the never-ending support of my wife and daughter, to whom I am indebted. My best friends Ted and Yoli have also been very supportive, and I thank my in-laws for putting up with my law books at every family dinner." Congratulations, David. Brett Matthew Barcelos. Brett graduated from CSU Fresno with a Bachelor of Arts degree in history. He's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. During law school, Brett has worked at the DS Law Firm, and he will continue on with that firm after graduation and the bar exam. Brett would like to thank his wife, Andrea, his mom, Kathy, and dad, Lee, for all of their support and encouragement. Congratulations, Brett. Danette Denny Beauvais. Denny attended Oral Roberts University, where she earned her Bachelor of Arts in Elementary Education. In law school, she received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Advanced Criminal Procedure and Advanced Research and Writing with criminal emphasis. Denny also served an internship with the Fresno County Public Defender's Office and was elected fourth-year class rep to the Student Bar Association. Denny wishes to thank her wonderful husband and teammate for his tremendous support, her daughter Danielle for putting up with her cranky law school mother, her moms for traveling thousands of miles to be here today, and Larry Artinian for admitting Cartier has always been one up on him. Well, you got that backwards. Denny wants to be a public defender, and she prays that no one here ever becomes a client. Congratulations, Denny. Megan Diana Brown. Megan earned her Bachelor of Arts degree in social work at Eastern Washington University. She's received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in real property and wills and trusts, and was a Best Brief finalist in the Hopper Moot Court competition. Megan also was awarded the Spirit of SJCL Alumni Scholarship and served as a staff writer for Volume 24 of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review. Megan's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. During law school, she worked full-time for the Community Action Partnership and also found time to serve as an SJCL family law mediator and as a law clerk at Central California Legal Services. Megan says, "Thank you to my study buddies for life, Ashley and Deshawn. I couldn't have done it without you. To my family, especially my mom, dad, and sisters for always being there despite our distance. And sorry, Dad, but I know now how to get back into the will. And to my incredible husband and babies, Matt, Alexis, and Lucas, thank you for your abundant love, extreme patience, and endless sacrifice to help me achieve my dream. You are my purpose." Congratulations, Megan. Thais Bueno Nielsen. Thais received her Bachelor of Arts degree in archaeology at UC Santa Cruz. She would like to thank her family and friends for their support and encouragement throughout her law school experience, namely, her mother Sandra Nielsen for promising to love her even if she failed, her husband Nick Walsh for promising to immediately stop loving her if she did fail, Jocelyn Brownell for being available at 3 in the morning for post-final freakouts, Shannon Fraser for being her personal cheerleader, Myra Gomez for all of the laughs, and Stephanie Krause for being an inspiration and a model of all things an attorney and friend should be. Congratulations, Thais. Karina Michelle Birchfield with distinction. Karina earned her Bachelor of Arts degree at UC Davis with a major in political science and a minor in history. She's received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in professional responsibility, legal process, wills and trusts, and constitutional law. She was also awarded the Woman Lawyer Scholarship in 2014 and the Leon S. Peters Foundation Leadership Awards Scholarship in 2015. Karina also served as a staff member for Volume 23 of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review and as production editor for Volume 24. She's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity and was elected third-year class rep to the Student Bar Association. She has been employed at the Saul Law Firm for the last 10 years, and she'll continue to work there after graduation. Karina states, "I absolutely could not have gotten through these last 3 years without my husband, Brian. Your support and love made it possible for me to see the light at the end of the tunnel and keep our household in one piece. To Mason, Taylor, my parents, my grandparents, and my extended family, the unbelievable amount of encouragement I received during this journey will always be appreciated and will never be forgotten." Congratulations, Karina. Lenore Choa Christensen. Lenore earned her Bachelor of Science degree in biochemistry at the University of California at Riverside. She also holds a Master of Science degree in healthcare management from Troy University and a Doctor of Podiatric Medicine degree from the California College of Podiatric Medicine. Now, it's obvious that a law degree was the next logical one. Lenore says, "I would like to thank my family for their love and support throughout law school." Congratulations, Lenore. Cinderella Ivory Y. Coe. Cindy received Associate of Arts and Associate of Science degrees at the College of Southern Nevada and a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. She's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity in 2011-2012. And after graduation, Cindy plans to specialize in employment law with an emphasis in healthcare. She adds, "I would like to thank my parents for their unconditional love and support throughout law school and beyond. Next, I would like to thank my sister Ching and her family for enduring 16 hours of flight time just to see me graduate. Also, I would like to thank my dog Cootie, who stood by my side until the end. Most of all, I would like to thank Jonathan for everything I could ask for and more. Life has been great to me, and I am truly blessed to be walking on this stage on this beautiful Saturday." Congratulations, Cindy. Maria G. Cordova. Gee, I'm sorry, Maria, you didn't have any friends come with you today. Maria attended California State University, Fresno, and received her Bachelor of Science degree in criminology. She received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Remedies and was awarded the Woman Lawyer Scholarship and the Mario G. Olmos Memorial Scholarship. Maria says, "To my husband, Alex, thank you for your unwavering patience and support. To Adelie, thanks for the numerous encouraging Post-it notes you often placed all over my house. To my parents, brother, sister, family, and friends, thank you. To Bob Perez, Bob Williams, Dr. B, and SJCL, I want to say, I never dared to imagine this for myself. Thank you." Congratulations, Maria. Karen Cooper Curtis. Karen came to SJCL with an Associate of Science degree in paralegalism from the College of the Sequoias and over 30 years working in the legal field. She received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in civil trial practice and public entity liability. Karen also is a member of Delta Theta Phi, and during her clinical internship, she was appointed a special master by the Tulare County Superior Court. Karen is a law clerk at the firm of Herr, Peterson, and Berglund, where she will remain after taking the bar exam. Karen wishes to thank her family and friends for their unwavering support throughout the last 4 years. Congratulations, Karen. Alexandria de la Fuente. Alexandria attended CSU Long Beach, where she received a Bachelor of Arts degree in textiles and clothing and fashion merchandising. She was awarded the Ibarra Casillas Scholarship in 2013 and 2014, the Central Valley La Raza Lawyers Association Cajiga Dominguez Scholarship in 2013, and the Karazi Bar Study Support Scholarship in 2015. Alexandria served terms as president, vice president, and secretary of Law Students United in Tolerance. She was the organizer of that organization's first-year law student mentorship program, and she has acted as mentor to nearly 12 first-year law students. Alexandria says, "I plan to pass the bar exam and get a job. Thank you to my mom, my grandparents, aunts and uncles, and to my boyfriend Chris for being supportive of me during law school. Thank you to Lupita, Lacey, Sarah, Marla, Joshua, Kim, and Roshana for your friendship and camaraderie. Thank you to Pete Rooney and Carrie Prindeville for being awesome bosses at the SJCL Law Library. Thank you to Professors Goodrich, Cartier, and Artinian for advocating for me during my first year. Thank you to my attorney mentors Robert Wynn, Marcia Machado, Lacey O'Brien, Martin Telesnik, Maribel Romo, Sosi Vogt, and Travis Ishikawa for your invaluable guidance, advice, and mentorship." Congratulations. Matthew William Hawks. Matthew earned his Bachelor of Science degree in construction engineering at CSU Fresno. During his time at SJCL, Matthew has clerked for various attorneys, and he's found that he enjoys civil litigation. After graduation, he plans to pursue a career in personal injury law. Matthew's highest honor is being a husband and a proud father of 4 children. Matthew adds, "I'd like to thank all those who helped make my journey through law school possible. I would especially like to thank my wife, who worked full-time and took care of 4 kids while I was at school. And thanks to my family and extended family for all their support, particularly my grandmother-in-law, Francesca Hernandez, who has helped raise our 4 children during my education." Congratulations, Matthew. Carrie Leanne Hayden. Carrie obtained a police officer's training completion at Fresno City College and received her Bachelor of Arts degree in criminal justice and pre-law at National University. She's a board member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity, and she has led several charitable events for that group. Carrie is also an active member of the Fresno Women Lawyers Association, and she volunteers for the Central California Bankruptcy Association and Criminal Justice Department at CSU Fresno. She has interned for criminal defense attorney Richard Beshwaite and the Tulare Public Defender's Office, and she served a judicial internship with the Honorable Dale Blay of the Madera County Superior Court. Carrie wants to recognize and thank her parents, Alan and Linda Hayden, and her children, Blake, Matthew, and Nicholas, for all their support and for putting up with craziness. Carrie adds, "Now that God has gotten me through, a new adventure can begin." Congratulations, Carrie. Dushan M. Johnson. Dushan received an Associate of Science degree in respiratory therapy from San Joaquin Valley College. He also studied business administration at the University of Phoenix. Before pursuing his legal studies at San Joaquin College of Law, Dushan was a business owner and a police officer who served the cities of Kingsburg and Visalia for 10 years. Dushan was awarded the Founders Scholarship in 2015, and during law school, he's volunteered at both the Family Law Mediation Clinic and the New American Legal Clinic. Dushan would like to thank his grandparents, Mr. and Mrs. Farr, Jamie Hernandez, Ray Robinson, and Lemerle Johnson, for their unconditional love and support. Dushan and his family look forward to this new chapter. Congratulations, Dushan. Amanda K. Kenzora. Amanda received her Bachelor of Arts degree in English at CSU Fresno. She also holds a Master of Arts degree in Old Testament from the Fresno Pacific University Biblical Seminary. Amanda was a team member and a co-author of the brief that received the Best Brief Award at the 2015 National Moot Court Competition in Asylum and Refugee Law at UC Davis. Right. Amanda has received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in torts, human rights, and constitutional law, and she was also awarded the 2015 Leon S. Peters Foundation Leadership Award and the Delta Theta Phi Service Award. Amanda's comment about the plight of the migrant agricultural worker will be published in the next volume of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review. She's a member of Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity, and she has served terms as its dean, treasurer, academic chair, clerk of the rolls, and philanthropy chair. Amanda is currently a clerk at my law firm, Wagner, Jones, Kaufman, and Artinian, and she's a great clerk too. She also completed an internship at the Fresno County DA's office and served as a law clerk for the offices of Gary Winter. Amanda wishes to say, thank you to my amazing friends and family for extending grace and supporting my dream to seek mishpat in our community. Brad, thank you for your love and for enduring this adventure with me. Lastly, to my Savior, the reason I am walking across the stage today, thank you for planting this dream in my heart. May I love mercy, do justice, and walk humbly with you. Congratulations, Amanda. William Joel Klomhaus. William has received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Evidence and Moot Court. He won the Best Brief Award in the George Hopper Moot Court Competition in 2014 and was also a Best Oral Advocate finalist in that same competition. William says, "I'd like to thank my grandparents and my mom for the love and support, Pat Smith for keeping me on track, Caroline Jackson for starting me down the path to SJCL, Phil Mock for being my fearless leader, all of my friends and family, my colleagues, opponents, the judges, and the staff at the Fresno and Bakersfield Workers' Compensation Appeals Board, my children, Lorelei and Sebastian, and most important, my loving and supporting wife. I love you, Heather Klomhaus. We made it to the end." Congratulations, William. Michael Benjamin Landers. Michael earned his Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration and Information Systems at the University of Phoenix. He's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity, and he was awarded the Ken Coyle Memorial Scholarship. Michael also received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Constitutional Law. Michael says, "I would like to thank my wife and family for their understanding and support during these last 4 years and for coming along with me on this wonderful adventure. I would like to add, it's a shame that law school is ending. Now we're going to have to come up with another excuse to miss all those dreadful events with family and friends." Congratulations, Michael. Jesus A. Martinez Berber. Jesus received his Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science at the University of California at Davis. He is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity, and he received the 2013 Student Bar Association Award for the Most Improved Student. In addition, Jesus worked full-time through all 4 years of law school as a paralegal with the firm of Yara, Karazi, and Clayson. Jesus adds, "Thanks to my parents for their unrelenting support. Thanks to my girlfriend Sandra, who put up with my mood swings for all 4 years of law school. Also, I'd like to thank my friends, most notably Mike Haw. Finally, I would like to thank God for allowing me to have this amazing opportunity and to come this far." Congratulations, Jesus. Jessica Ann McClung, with distinction. Jessica graduated from CSU Fresno with a Bachelor of Science degree in Criminology. She's received 6 Whitkin Awards for academic excellence, including criminal procedure, evidence, business organizations, individual income taxation, and tribal sovereign immunity. She was a Best Brief finalist in the Hopper Moot Court competition and has been awarded the Delta Theta Phi Participation Scholarship and the Leon S. Peters Foundation Leadership Award. Jessica was elected first and second year class rep to the Student Bar Association and is the association's current treasurer. She also served for 1 year as social chair and 2 years as vice dean of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. She's volunteered to assist on numerous events and fundraisers, such as the Spring Banquet Committee, Senior Law Day, Back to School Night, Comedy Night, and Race Judicata. Jessica says, "I want to thank my family and friends for all their support, patience, and love throughout this process, especially my mom, Christian, and my Aunt Kathy, all of whom talked me through my meltdowns during finals at some point. I'd also like to thank Mark Broughton and Jeff Hammerschmidt for allowing me the opportunity to clerk from them and learn from the best. And to my law school friends, thank you for the memories, study sessions, and motivation to see this through." Congratulations, Jessica. Sarah Elizabeth McNabb, with distinction. Sarah received her Bachelor of Arts degree at CSU Fresno and her Master of Arts degree at National University, both in the field of psychology. She's a 2015 recipient of the Hammerschmidt Broughton Criminal Practice Scholarship and also received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in remedies and constitutional law. In 2013, Sarah was a member of the winning team and received the Best Oral Advocate Award in the George Hopper Moot Court competition. Sarah's comment was published in Volume 23 of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review, and she served as Notes and Comments Editor for Volume 24. This year, she was a student advocate for the New American Legal Clinic and was also a law clerk at the Tulare County Public Defender's Office from 2013 to 2015. Sarah states, "I would like to thank my family, especially my parents, for always believing in me, and my daughter, Kayla, my biggest fan. I could not have accomplished this goal without the unyielding love and support of my family and friends. I would also like to thank Jarrett Rogers, who has shared in this journey, was a constant source of inspiration, and provided endless encouragement. I am grateful to have you in my life, and I can't imagine this experience without you." Congratulations, Sarah. Emmanuel H. Mena. I said Emmanuel H. Mena. Did you get that? Okay. All right. Emmanuel obtained an Associate of Arts degree from Reedley Community College and a Bachelor of Arts in English at CSU Fresno. He's received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in civil procedure and advanced research and writing. During law school, he's worked at the Child's Law Office, the Fresno County DA's office, and the Tulare County Counsel's office. He also volunteered at the New American Legal Clinic. Emmanuel was a Best Oral Advocate semifinalist and a Best Brief finalist in the Hopper Moot Court competition, and he represented the law school this year at the statewide Trainer Moot Court competition as the designated brief writer. Emmanuel wishes to say, "I thank God for this accomplishment and for the special people He's placed in my life, including, but not limited to," he learned that in law school, including but not limited to, Rebecca, my beautiful wife of almost 10 years, my two strong boys, Manuel and Elijah, and the baby Jeremiah, who's attending this ceremony from the womb. Start him early. To my father, my mother, my sister and nephew, all of my in-laws and their significant others who have become my second family, and to the friends and family in the audience who traveled near and far to share this special moment with me, I love you all very much. Congratulations, Emmanuel. Allison Morris, with distinction. Allison graduated from National University with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Legal Studies. During law school, she externed for United States Magistrate Judge Stanley A. Boone and was a certified law clerk for the Fresno County DA's office. She was a 3-year recipient of the Dean's Scholarship and received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in constitutional law, international law, and California energy law. She is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. Allison would like to thank her family for their unconditional support and understanding during law school. Congratulations, Allison. Kim Kiyomi Nakagawa. Kim graduated from California State University, Fresno with a Bachelor of Arts in Interior Design and a minor in Business. She received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Tribal Sovereign Immunity and was a Best Brief finalist in the Hopper Moot Court competition. She's a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity, serves as Secretary of the Student Bar Association, and was chosen by her classmates as Student of the Year for 2015. For the past 6 years, she's been working at the Bankruptcy Law Office of M. Nelson Enmark. Kim would like to thank her best study buddy and pal, Roshana Shirzad. Dustet Daram. She would also like to give shout-outs to Lupita, Alex, Erica, and all the Salisas. Without you guys, law school would have been way more boring. Kim thanks. Okay. Kim thanks her friends for tolerating her and for being understanding, Mr. M. Nelson Enmark for being her legal mentor, and her family for all of their support. Kim especially wants to thank her older sister and brother-in-law for always being there, and her parents for instilling in her to always follow her heart and never give up on her dreams. She will see you all in August. Congratulations, Kim. John Orman with distinction. John received his BA in Communications at California State University, Fresno. He's a recipient of the 2014 Harry Zekian Memorial Scholarship and a 3-year recipient of the Central California Builders Exchange Scholarship. John served as 4th-year class rep to the Student Bar Association. During law school, John has worked as a certified law clerk at the law offices of Nuttall and Coleman, and also at the firm of Laughlin, Falbo, Levy, and Morrissey, where he plans to return after the bar exam to practice in the field of insurance defense. John says, "I would like to thank my beautiful wife, Paige, and daughter, Kenton, for their love, inspiration, and patience over the last 4 years. Without you, I would never have been able to accomplish this dream of mine. I also want to thank my family, especially my parents and my in-laws, for their love and support throughout. They've been a huge help for us. Lastly, I want to especially thank my bosses throughout my clerkships for imparting their wisdom in me, or at least attempting to." Congratulations, John. Nellie Margaret Paloyan. Nellie received an Associate of Arts degree in Liberal Arts from Fresno City College and a Bachelor of Arts in Business Economics with an accounting emphasis from UC Santa Barbara. She received Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in insurance law, copyright and trademark law, community property, and advanced research and writing. In 2014, she won the Best Brief Award in the George Hopper Moot Court competition and also was awarded the Harry Zekian Memorial Scholarship. Nellie is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. Nellie has spent the last several years working alongside her father, where she intends to resume working after the bar. She wishes to thank her parents, brother, family, friends, and fiancé for all their love and support. Congratulations, Nellie. Erica Lane Rascone. Erica attended CSU Fresno, where she earned her Bachelor of Science degree in criminology with law enforcement option. In 2014, she received the Best Oral Advocate Award in the Hopper Moot Court competition. During law school, Erica worked for over 2 years as a law clerk for Marshall Hodgkins, a private criminal defense firm, and also works as a certified law clerk and conditional associate at Horswell, Medeiros, and Soares, a general practice firm. Erica is a member of Delta Theta Phi. Erica adds, "I want to thank God, my husband Matt, my family, and friends for all their love and support. I want to thank Roshana and Kim for all the memories and daily laughs. Thanks to Kelly Smith, and thanks to Marshall Hodgkins for giving me the privilege of learning from him for over 2 years. And last but certainly not least, I want to thank Mr. Horswell, Mr. Medeiros, and Mr. Soares for inviting me to be part of their 61-year-old law firm." Congratulations, Erica. Jarrett Waylon Rogers with high honors. Our valedictorian. Jarrett graduated from Brandman University with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Social Science. He received 9 Whitkin Awards for academic excellence in torts, contracts, property, civil procedure, criminal law, legal analysis, moot court, professional responsibility, and wills and trusts. He was a 2014 recipient of the Leon Peters Leadership Award and a 2015 recipient of the American Board of Trial Advocates Memorial Scholarship. He was a co-winner in 2013 of the George Hopper Moot Court Competition. Jarrett was also a contributing member of Volume 23 of San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review, and he is the executive editor of Volume 24 of the Law Review. He's worked as a law clerk for the DS Law Firm since 2013. Jarrett says, "I want to express my deepest gratitude to my friends and family, particularly my mother, for believing me and supporting me in so many ways as I work toward this moment. I would also like to thank the DS Law Firm and the staff of San Joaquin College of Law, who have provided endless guidance on this journey. Lastly, congratulations, Sarah. Without you, this honor may not have been possible." Congratulations. Roshana Mariam Shirzad. Roshana attended CSU Fresno, where she received her Bachelor of Science in Criminology with a minor in Communications. She was chosen by her classmates as Student of the Year in 2013 and again in 2014. She served as Student Bar Association class rep in her first and second years, as Vice President in her third year, and currently is the President of the Student Bar Association. Roshana is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity, and she has worked as a certified law clerk at the Fresno County DA's office. Roshana says, "I want to thank my amazing family who have been so supportive during law school. Thank you for dealing with my bad days, celebrating my good days, and always believing in me. I'm forever thankful. Thank you to my sister for moving down south and giving me a second home to run away to. Bob and Jan, thank you for being at every single graduation since kindergarten. Kim and Erica, my law school study buddies turned best friends. I'm going to need Botox on my laugh lines because of you. Richard Burchett and the rest of my DA family, thank you for pushing me to be better and smarter every day. My best friends and their families, thank you for always feeding me and listening to me vent. Lastly, I want to thank the administration and faculty at SJCL. Everyone has truly become family to me, and you've all made a mark on my heart. I love you all." Congratulations, Roshana. Keegan J. Smith. Keegan received his Bachelor of Arts degree in English from Fort Lewis College in Durango, Colorado. He received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Contracts. Keegan would like to thank his parents, Dave and Liz, for their support and encouragement. He thanks his father-in-law, Edwin, for the hours he spent watching the kids. Most of all, Keegan would like to thank the love of his life, his wife, Courtney. He says, "Thank you for our beautiful children, our loving home, and all the support you have given me. It would not have been possible without you." Congratulations, Keegan. Annika Grace Sweeney. Annika attended CSU Fresno, where she earned her Bachelor of Arts degree in Liberal Studies. She received the Whitkin Award for Academic Excellence in Juvenile Justice. She also was awarded the Delta Theta Phi Scholarship in 2014. Annika interned for Congressman Devin Nunes in Washington, D.C., and for the District Attorney in Fresno County. She also completed an internship at the office of the Tulare County Council. For the past 2 years, Annika has served as Secretary of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. Annika wishes to say, "Thank you for the unconditional love and support of my family, especially my husband, Kyle." Congratulations, Annika. Andrew David Triple. Andrew came to San Joaquin College of Law after completing an Associate of Science degree in Business Administration at Fresno City College. While attending law school, Andrew interned at the firm of Hager, Triple, Macy, and Jensen, and also was a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law Fraternity. He's planning to work in the field of patent law in California. Andrew adds, I'd like to thank my friends and family, especially my parents, Craig and Cindy Triple. Their experience in the law and support throughout these last 4 years helped make this day possible. Congratulations, Andrew. Sally Sophia Vecchiarelli with distinction. Sally graduated magna cum laude from CSU Fresno with a Bachelor of Science degree in criminology and a specialization in forensic behavioral science. She's a recipient of the Ernest S. Kinney Memorial Scholarship, the Harry Zekian Scholarship, and the Darrell B. Friedman Bar Study Support Scholarship. Sally was a Best Oral Advocate finalist and Best Brief finalist in the Hopper Moot Court competition. She represented the law school at the statewide trainer moot court competition at UC Davis and won the CEB Award for Outstanding Individual Achievement in Oral Argument. Sally also received Witkin Awards for academic excellence in legal analysis and real property. Her comment about mandatory labeling of genetically engineered food was published in volume 22 of the San Joaquin Agricultural Law Review, which she served this year as editor-in-chief. Sally has worked as a law clerk for the past 2 years at the Hammerschmidt Broughton Law Corporation, where she will return as a criminal defense attorney after the bar. She wishes to say, thank you to the lawyers I've had the pleasure to learn from at my firm, Jeffrey Hammerschmidt, Mark Broughton, Christina Widener, and Rachel Hill, for teaching me the application of the law and how to be a superb lawyer. My mom, Darcy Creamer, who's not alive to be here today, but who made this moment possible years ago when she inspired the love of law in me at a very young age through her profound dedication to justice. My dad, Stephen Noxon, for his endless support and impressive legal mind. My in-laws, Debbie and Eric, who watched my children for me without complaint day after day. And my husband, Justin, my rock, my equal partner. Thank you for always pushing me to be as great outwardly as I am in your eyes. I would like to dedicate my degree to my children, Cyrus and Scarlett, to show them that no matter what life throws at you, you can always achieve your dreams. Congratulations. Caitlin Elaine Weisenberger. Caitlin graduated with honors from CSU Fresno with a Bachelor of Arts degree in political science and a pre-law certificate. Caitlin is a member of the Delta Theta Phi Law fraternity. She received Witkin Awards for academic excellence in remedies and water law. Caitlin adds, a very big thank you to my best friends for continually supporting all my endeavors and enduring my endless quirks. To my boyfriend Nate for always believing in me, even when I did not believe in myself. And finally, thank you to my amazing family, especially Aunt Holly and Uncle Dusty for helping make this dream a reality and who always make my life a little more magical. I love you all. Congratulations, Caitlin. Will the class of 2015 please rise? Ladies and gentlemen, the San Joaquin College of Law class of 2015.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Brandy Gustafson, and I'm the 2015 president for the San Joaquin College of Law Alumni Association. I get the privilege and honor to be the first to welcome each and every one of you graduates to the diverse and distinguished community of San Joaquin College of Law alumni. As of today, you graduates join the ranks of distinguished alumni who are judges, commissioners, administrative law judges, district attorneys, in-house counsel and special counsel for private firms and hospitals, city attorneys, county council, and elected officials. Now, if you ask me, that's quite the impressive bunch that you are joining. Each one of them has sat where you sit today, excited and anxious for what lies ahead. Take this moment to enjoy all you have accomplished. After all, it is the hard work you have put in, your perseverance, and of course, the social and family time you've had to sacrifice that has gotten you here today. Just remember, in a few short months, once you finish that pesky little 3-day exam, which we know as the California bar exam, you will find that that pesky exam is just a minor speed bump on your path to things that are much better to come. Again, I would like to welcome you as alumni and look forward to hearing of your future achievements. Thank you and have a good day.
Why are people?
Sorry.
Why are people
So the
laughing?
good news is, this is one of the shortest and most efficient ceremonies we've had in years.
In years.
The better news is, that gives us 45 minutes to talk.
But first, a photo.
Group selfie.
Group selfie. Thank you. Thank you.
It's almost over.
It's almost over. Judge Conklin and I want to congratulate all of the students here today for their fine accomplishments, and want to say that it doesn't end here. Judge?
That's absolutely right. When I asked Professor Boone what we're going to say, he said, you say all the tender stuff and I'll joke around. But in all seriousness, you have the tools you need to succeed because you went to San Joaquin. Use those tools effectively.
We also now want to tell you about the after grazing opportunity that's offered free on behalf of the law school. Please join the law school after the conclusion of this ceremony for... Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
For a dining opportunity, there are some rules. If you don't know Judge Conklin and I, we have rules. And those rules are that when you're in line, please move along. Do not talk, do not stand and graze.
Most importantly,
Keep the
do
line
not
moving.
return food to the plate.
Key. And on behalf of San Joaquin and all of us, we congratulate you and we wish you the best of luck. Thank you.
Why do I have to follow Conklin and Boone? It's not fair. When Roshana first asked me to do the benediction for this ceremony, my first reaction was, of course, what exactly is a benediction? Through my research, I am a lawyer after all, I learned that someone traditionally gets up at the end of a graduation ceremony and provides an inspirational message to the graduating students. Usually it is religion-based, often including the reading of a psalm or two. I even found a website that talks about the use of a Bob Dylan song, Forever Young. May you grow up to be righteous. May you grow up to be true, etc. But for a law school graduation, that didn't seem a good fit. So, I consulted the writings of one of my favorite historical figures, Thomas Jefferson, and found the following, quote, "An honest heart is the first blessing, a knowing head the second." That was the advice Jefferson gave in a letter to a young acquaintance who was just starting his educational adventure in 1785. I think that sentiment applies to all of you as well as you enter this new phase of your legal career. Jefferson explained that you may find yourself surrounded by difficult and perplexing circumstances and not know how to extricate yourself. Always do what is right in your heart, and you will find the way out of the surrounding trouble and start your journey back on the correct path. Use your head to follow the truth, the justice, and the logic of the problem before you, and never fear that they won't lead you out of that labyrinth. So develop a strong foundation. Let what you have learned here ground you when the difficulties of this profession try to push you in the wrong direction. Always keep an honest heart and a knowing head.
And that brings us to the end of this edition of San Joaquin College of Law Today, presented by San Joaquin College of Law, a nonprofit law school committed to educational excellence and community service. The views expressed do not necessarily reflect the position or views of San Joaquin College of Law. This program has been produced in conjunction with the Community Media Access Collaborative. We invite you to join us in the future as we explore issues and events within the law school which are of general interest as well. For more information about San Joaquin College of Law, please visit our website at www.sjcl.edu or call 559-323-2100.